Vaishali Ajbale, and today's date is 6 February 2024, and today our topic is explain the types of constructor. So first we will discuss about the what is constructor. So constructor is a special type of method that is used to initialize the object. Then we know all the Java class has the constructor. Then constructor name and the class name should be saved. The main purpose of the constructor is to initialize the object. Then constructor is automatically called at the time of the object creation. Then it does not contain any return type. Then there are 4 different types of constructor. First is default constructor, then parameterized constructor, then third is copy constructor, then fourth is private constructor. So first is the default constructor. So the default constructor is automatically if in the class the class does not contain any constructor, so the default constructor is automatically called. Then default constructor does not have any parameter. Then second is the parameterized constructor. The constructor through which we can pass the parameter. So it is called the parameterized constructor. For example, class A. So in the parameterized constructor, the parameterized constructor can be in the parameterized constructor we can pass the let's say int roll number or string name. So it is called the parameterized constructor. So as we know that in the parameterized constructor we can pass the parameter in the bracket. So it is the parameterized constructor. Then third is the copy constructor. So copy constructor means the copy of the object. Copy of the object. Whenever we can pass the object reference to the constructor, it is called the copy constructor. For example, class. Let's say class, then class name. Class name, the class have the class can be the class name and the constructor name should be same. So the copy constructor is the class name. So in the brackets we can pass the object of the class. So it is the copy constructor. Then fourth is the private constructor. So private constructor means the so private constructor is not accessible because the private constructor should be private, so it is not accessible.